Hi everyone! Today I am at Holland Village Baker and Cook. This is my go-to place for salad and bakeries. So that is the salad available. They usually have 3 kinds of salads. The big plate has all 3 kinds at 13.5 Singapore dollars. So I got a big plate of salad with custard bombolini. Salad was fresh and delicious with a lot of nutrition as always. The bombolini, the donut, was just alright. The custard filling was not enough, but that's just personal preference. This place is always crowded but still a nice place for brunch and bakeries. I like it. Hi everyone! Today I went to Bakery Brera and got the pastries and one tiny scone. You have to pay for plastic bag, so they encourage to bring your own, which I believe is a good initiative. For today's coffee, I'm having Ethiopia. So this is peanut butter jelly croffin. Croffin is a croissant plus muffin. And this is queen amang, and this is raisin scone, I think. Peanut butter and jelly croffin. I personally don't like croffin, but because it's peanut butter jelly, I'm gonna give it a try.
Not so much filling inside.
A bit here.
If you like peanut butter jelly, then you must like this.
I like the filling part, but it's almost just at the top, and the pastry itself is partially soggy, partially crispy. Now let me try this queen amang. I like this. It's a bit sweet, buttery, and the sogginess is from the syrup. I prefer this to croffin, but croffin filling was good. This is really just a standard scone, but good that it's not fluffy, because I personally don't like fluffy scones. This is just okay, just standard scone. Hi everyone! Today for dinner I'm having kind of a salad bowl. These are what I got, and it's from Da Paolo. Everything is good except the portion is small. Salsa, curcumin cauliflower,
and some salad, beetroot, and based salad. Falafel. This falafel is so good.
Hi everyone, today I got my RedMart delivered again. Great.
Milk. And tofu.
And here I've got kale. This is my favorite kale. Tomato, sweet pepper, and cucumber. Antibacterial wipes, white pepper. This is my honey. It's creamy honey. And this is this is extra virgin olive oil. This is my cereal. It got squashed. But this is my Weet-Bix bites. I'm trying this for the first time, but I love Weet-Bix, and I heard this is a bit sweeter, so this can't get wrong, I believe.
That's all I got this time. Happy grocery shopping. Online shopping. Bye bye.
Hi everyone. Today I got the scones from Choc Farm, and it was at Paragon Mall. It was $7 for 2. These are so small, so cute. Nice. It's quite crispy. It's more like a biscuit.